How to cancel your Netflix membership or subscription. It's time to cancel your Netflix subscription if you want to save some money, don't like the price increases, or no longer like the episodes and movies the streaming service offers. How to terminate Netflix online. You can cancel your Netflix subscription the same way on a computer or phone. To do this, just open the browser on your device. Go to netflix.com. Log into your account. Click on your main account. Click the icon that displays all users in the top right corner of the screen. When that menu appears, select Account to access the membership menu for your account. Your account information is now visible. Select the Cancel Membership link under the Membership and Billing category. You will be directed to the location where you must confirm the cancellation of your account by doing this. The Finish Cancellation button must be clicked in order to terminate your Netflix subscription entirely. Your subscription will be terminated at the end of your current billing period. You may unwind knowing that monthly payments to Netflix won't be deducted from your checking account now that you've successfully canceled them. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.